Welcome to my lab. Today, we're going to be working with Agar.
Agar, jelly-like substance that feeds mushroom mycelium.
And this is the agar that I'm going to be working with today. I'm going to be working with shiitake strain LE3790. Squirt a little bit of this out onto a petri dish, and then we're going to look at the growth to make sure it's not contaminated before we take this to grain. Now that I've inoculated the plates, I'll take a look at the growth daily to make sure everything comes out nice and clean.
Big geek boy, I'ma heal myself. Another house.
2,000 years later.
She still ain't ate. Sex, money, drugs, I can feel my face.
Alright, so the plates have grown out long enough and everything looks good. So in the next video, I'll be taking these to grain. In the meantime, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.